Hello everyone and welcome back to Trending Niger. I'm Hadenuga Progress. In today's update, a dramatic twist in the long-running trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the prescribed indigenous people of Biafra IPOB. Kanu has now declined to open his defense in the terrorism charges brought against him by the federal government, insisting that there is no valid case to answer. At the Federal High Court in Abuja, proceedings took a surprising turn on Monday, October 27th, as Kanu, who had earlier indicated plans to call witnesses in his defense, suddenly changed course. You all recalled that the court had adjourned on October 24th to allow the IPOB leader time to open his defense following his application for witness summons and a request for more time to study his case file. But during today's resumed hearing, Kanu told the presiding judge, Justice James Omotosho, that after carefully reviewing his case, he has realized there is, in his words, no valid charge against me. He argued that since the charges are, according to him, invalid and unconstitutional, there is no need for him to call any witnesses or enter any form of defense. Justice Omotosho, however, advised the IPOB leader to seek expert legal advice on the implications of his decision. The judge noted that declining to open a defense could have significant consequences under Nigeria's criminal law, especially since the prosecution has already presented its evidence. He then directed Kanu to file a formal written address stating his position and to serve it on the federal government's legal team. Justice Omotosho further adjourned the case till the 4th, 5th, and 6th of November for the adoption of final written addresses at the session. The court is expected to determine whether the prosecution has established a prima facie case against Kanu, or if the defendant's argument of no case submission will stand. This development marks yet another chapter in the long and complex legal battle between Nnamdi Kanu and the Nigerian government. Kanu has faced multiple counts of terrorism and other related offences charges which he and his legal team have consistently described as politically motivated and baseless. Since his rearrest and extradition from Kenya in 2021, his trial has sparked intense debate both within and outside Nigeria, particularly among his supporters, who continue to call for his release. Legal experts say the next hearing will be crucial. If the court agrees that the prosecution has failed to establish a case, it could potentially mark a major turning point and possibly lead to Kanu's discharge. However, if the court finds otherwise, the IPOB leader may still have to open his defense formally. For now, all eyes are on the Federal High Court in Abuja as Nigerians await the outcome of this high-profile trial, one that continues to stir political, legal, and emotional reactions across the country. That's it for now on this developing story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more verified updates on Nigeria's political and legal landscape. I'm Hadenuga Progress, reporting for Trending Niger. Thanks for watching and see you in our next update.